This question is from Mr. Anwar Iqbal. Shoe throwing was an act of showing the anger towards injustice. A start. What is your comment on this?
I think it is a wrong explanation, because when you throw your shoe, there is no one who is there who is doing injustice. It is simply throwing in the vacuum. So how you can say that shoe throwing is against injustice? It is throwing against nothing. Your anger must target the injustice, but injustice was not there. So it is simply a show. I think it is a wrong practice. Then you are a Muslim. Your claim is that you are following Islamic principle, and in Islam, it is wrong so to, to engage in practices like this. It is shameful. It is shameful. Why? In Islam, there is a very well-known criterion, that is prophetic pattern. You have to prove that this throwing was according to the prophetic pattern. There was so many atrocities against Prophet. There were so many um, conspiracies against Prophet, but Prophet any Prophet was never engaged in such practices. So for a Muslim, the only way to follow some practices, so a Muslim must follow the pattern of the Prophet of Islam. You have no choice. You cannot say that we are showing our anger. You have to refer some practices by the Prophet of Islam. Otherwise, you are wrong. If you have no reference in the life of the Prophet of Islam of such kind, then you are wrong. So first of all, you have to know what is the criterion. Your words are not criterion. Your sentiments are not the criterion. Prophet's pattern is the criterion. So when I apply this practice on the prophetic pattern, I can say that it was wrong, completely wrong. Because Prophet never practiced like this.